We are giving away the Moto G10 Power, and before you skip to the end of the video, please note to follow the rules carefully in order to qualify. So watch this video until the very end to know how you can win this. Let's get started. Over here at Mr. Phone, we have covered a lot about the Moto G10 Power, be it reviews, comparisons and whatnot. And truth be told, if you are looking to buy a well-rounded smartphone for under 10,000 rupees, there's no denying that the Moto G10 Power is one of the best that you can get right now. For its price, there are only two drawbacks that I would like to point at. First, I wish the display could have been a tad brighter. Although being an IPS panel, the colors do look great on the smartphone undoubtedly. The second is the thickness. While there's no denying that the texture on this back panel gives a good in-hand feel, the phone is heavy. But then again, you get a 6000 mAh battery under the hood and it offers the best in class endurance and standby times. Otherwise, everything about this phone is pretty good for the price. You get a tall 20:9 6.5-inch HD Plus display. There's a Snapdragon 460 SoC running the show, which is coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB of inbuilt storage. And thanks to the hybrid SIM slot, you also get storage expansion on the smartphone. As for the software, you are getting stock Android 11 with just the right amount of customization options in the form of MyUX. Plus, you're also getting Motorola's proprietary ThinkShield security as well. Finally, you're getting a 48-megapixel quad camera setup at the back, which I would say is able to capture decent output in ample lighting conditions considering the price again. At the front is an 8-megapixel camera situated in the dewdrop notch. Okay, enough talk about the smartphone. Let's now talk about the giveaway. To win the Moto G10 Power, all you need to do is to follow three simple steps. The first step is to like this video and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel. Let's keep a target of 1,000 likes on this video, and if you are able to hit that target, then I will be back soon with another giveaway of a Motorola smartphone. The second step is to follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links to all our social accounts are in the description, or you can find them around me right now. The final step is to leave a comment below along with your Twitter and Instagram username so that if you win, then we can contact you. Also, if you can tag more of your friends, then it only increases you and your friends' chances of winning. But then again, this step of tagging friends is not compulsory. So go ahead guys, I wish you all the very best. Do note that the entries close on 21st June at 3 PM with the winner being announced later in the evening. See you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.